Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to send your Instagram story link directly from your PC. With the latest updates, sharing your content has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Once you're in, open your story. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then select Your Story from the drop-down menu. This will bring up your latest story, where you can view it in full screen. Next, you'll need to select the link from the address bar. At the top of your browser, you'll see the URL for your story. Click on it to highlight the entire link. This is crucial as it allows you to share it seamlessly with others. Now that you have the link highlighted, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. After copying the link, navigate to Messenger from the left side menu of Instagram. This is where you can send direct messages to your friends or followers. Click on Messenger to open your chat list. Once in Messenger, enter the chat you want, and simply paste the link by right-clicking in the message box and selecting Paste. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac, to paste it quickly. Finally, hit Send. Your followers can now click on the link and view your Instagram story directly from their devices. And there you have it. Sending your Instagram story link from a PC is a straightforward process that enhances how you share content with friends and followers. Remember, with this new update, sharing links is more accessible than ever, so make sure to utilize it for all your exciting stories.